Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to teach you a new Keerthanam in the Hamsadwani, Abhishta Varada. That's the title. Composed by Swami, okay? So, let's discuss the Raga Lakshan of Hamsadwani. Hamsadwani, it's been said like it's the derivative of 65th Mirartha Raga, major lady, or 20th Mirartha Raga, Dhekshinendya Sangeetham. It's an outer raga, only 5 swaras are there in the Arohana and Avrohana. 2 are missing. Madhyama, Daivata, Varji raga. No accents are there. Upanga raga. Swarasanas are Shadja, Chaturshudha Rishabha, Antaragantara, Panjama, Kagal Nishada. Arohana Arohana goes like this. Sari ga pa ni sa plain. Ri gamaga sagari are the aniswaras. Ga pa plain notes. Ni pa sa ni are the aniswaras. Sa in one stretch. Sari ga pa ni sa. Avarohana. Sa ni pa sa. Shadja is being slided from Panjama. Pa sa ni pa sa ni. Ni pa. Nishada is having a step down. Sa ni pa. Panjama plain. Ga. Gandhara, I gave a gamaga as well as a throw. Sa pa ga ga. Then at the last moment I am throwing it to Panjama. Sa pa ga pa. Ga ri ri sagari ri sa. Since this is an advanced grade lesson, I will be moving a bit fast. And in this part, I will be teaching you the Pallavi of this Keerthanam. There are 3 Sangadis. Abhishta Varada Shri Maha Ganapati. Abhishta Varada Shri Maha Ganapati. This is the first Sangadi. Abhishta Pasa Abhishta Sani Papa. Abhishta Pasa Sani Papa. Abhishta Varada Shri Va Paga. That's Gandhara. Ga Va Ra. Ra is Rishabha. Gari are the answers. Varada Shri Sari Sagari are the answers of Rishabha. Maha Ganapati. Maha Ma Gandhara. Maha. That's like double Gandhara. Ga ga. Second Gandhara I am giving a hammer tone. Ga gari ga like that. Those are the answers. Ga gari ga. Maha Gana Garisa Gana Pate Pate Rigariga Pate. That's a double slide off. Pate. Double throw off. Gandhara Rigariga Ga Pate Te Risa in one stretch. Abhishta Varada Shri Maha Ganapati. Then it is having an extension. Agama Vedandyandarahita Padde. Something like that. Agama Vedam. Gari gari gama pa ga pa ga. Gama ve ni ve ni sa pa ve ni sa pa veda ni sa pa. From this Panjama slide up Shadja ni sa pa sa like that. Vedantiyanda sani ri sani straight notes. Rishabha is having 3 ansuras. Sagari like that. Ra sani ra hi pa sa. It's not a slide, it's a throw. Pa sa. Those are the ansuras. Hi da pa da sani da pa sani pa ga. De ri ga pa ni ri. Rishabha is having gamaga sagari are the ansuras. Ri ga pa Gandhara Panjama plain notes. Ni pa sa ni are the ansuras of that gamagas Nishada's gamaga. In one stretch the extension goes like this. Agama Vedam Dendarahi Dapade. That's the first Sangati. Second Sangati, moving on to the second. Abhishta, sa, sasarigariga, sasarigariga sani, sasarigariga sani, sasarigariga sani. 8 Aniswaras are there. Bhishta, Bhishta, Sari Papa, Bhishta, Bhishta, Vara. Here. This is a point where most of the people make mistakes. They sing Daivada there. I will show you the mistake as well. Abhishta, Vara, Vara, Vara. Leaving that Paga, Paga, Nipa. Nishada on Daivada's position will never be considered as Hamsadwani Raga. That's something else. I don't know how to explain. Na 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 na. How to mention the Raga's name, okay, not explain. Paga, Dapa, Dapa, not possible. Paga, Nipa, because only Nishada is there in this Raga. So when you sing this usage, push it up to a limit where it will cause no damage for the Raga. Paga, Nipa or Paga, Sapa. Those are possible. The Sahityam, Abhishta, Vara, 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 Paga, Ganipa. From Gantara, slide up Nishada and come back. Paga, Ganipa, Vara, the Shri, the Shri, Gari, Sari, the Shri. Shri, it's a Rishabha, Sagari are the Anisuras. Gari, Sagari, the Shri. Maha, Maha, Ga, Gari, Paga, Maha, Gana, Garisa, Gana, Pate, Rigariga, Risa. That's just a copy of the first Sangati. So the second Sangati goes like this. Abhishta, Varada, Shri, Maha, Ganapati. Okay, moving on to the extension number 2. Agama, Gagariga, Gagariga. Make sure you're hitting Gagariga, Garigari, Gariga, Gagariga, Gagariga, which is Gariga, Riga, Gariga, Riga, Gariga, Riga, Gariga is hammering. Riga, that's what other. Gariga, Riga, Gama, Paga, Pagapa. Don't sing Pama, Pagapa. Don't sing that Pama, Pagapa or Pama, Pagapa. That's some other raga. Paga, Pagapa, Paga, Pagapa, Paga, Pagapa. Okay. Gama, Gama. See, when I am singing in such a fast pace, you won't understand whether it's mistake or right. See, I'll show you. Gama, Gama. Pratima. Agama, Pama, Pagapa, Pama, Pagapa. That's Shrutamaya. Agama, Gama, Gantara, Andhara, which is a part of this raga. Make sure you're not hitting the wrong note. Garigariga, Paga, Pagapa, Agama, Veda, Ve. Another problematic portion. Ve. Ni. When you give hammering for Nishada, make sure you're not hitting the Ivada in between. It is ni pani. Only Nishada is possible in this raga. Agama ve ni pani gapa ve da. From the Panchama sa slide. Veda, then Dendarahi. That's just a copy of the first extension. Denda Sari, Denda Satsagari, Dendara Sari Rahi. In the first extension, you threw that to Shadja, whereas here you're being asked to throw that to Rishabha. Dendarahi, he, first Sagadi, he, second Sagadi, Pari. The pa de. That's a copy of the first. The pa sani paga the pa de rega pani. I'm not explaining much because I have explained already in the first Sangati. Second extension goes like this. Agama ve to the third, the last. Abhi, Abhi, Gari Sari Sari, Gantara. From Shadja, you should lift Gantara. Saka, Gari Sa, Gari Sa. Rishabha is having a step down from Gantara. Gari Sa, Saga, Gari Sa, Abhi. From Shadja, lift Rishabha, it's a slide. Bi, Sari Sari, Bi, Abhishta, Sani. Varada Shri Sani 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 Pagari Varada Shri. Oh, it's really fast. Nishad is having an answer, just step down, right? Sani. The swara is Ni Pagari Sani Varada Sani Pagari Sani. Sani is the answer of Nishad. Sani Pagari Sani Varada Shri Sari Sagari are the answer of Sagrashabha. Maha Ma Gari Sarigapa Maha Sarigapa, like in the Arohana. Then Ganapati. Here also don't sing Ganapati. Pada Paga Pagari Gari Zariza. That's wrong. Pani Paga Paga Gari Zariza. Ganapati. Pani Paga Paga Gari Zariza. Ganapati. In one stretch, the third sangadhi goes like this. Abhishta Varada Shri Maha Ganapati Pati Gari Zariza Pati. Then another problematic portion. Ga Magariga. Wrong. Ga Pagariga. Ga Gama Pada Pagapa. That's wrong. Pani Pagapa. Gama Gapagariga. Pani Pagapa. Gama Ve Sani Pagari Ve. Then a combination of Arohana. Ra Ve Ra Sariga Panisa. Sariga Panisa. Then that's not a repetition. Here, then da Sariga Pa, then da Rahi, then da Sariga Pa, Gari Sari, then da Rahi, da Pade. That's a copy. Sari Paga, Riga Pani. In one stretch, the extension goes like this. Agama Veda Dendara Hida Pade Hi Sagari Hi Da Pade Abhishta Varada Shri Maha Ganapati. So that's the end of this tutorial, part 1. I'll be teaching you the rest in my next part. So keep on practicing. I know this one. Indeed, the raga is also a big, tough Hamsadwani. It's never an easy one. So keep on practicing. I'll meet you in the second tutorial, second part. Bye-bye.